Ever wondered if your daily social media engagement could turn into a treasure trove? Well, imagine a world where every tweet, every post, and every video could earn you real money. Now stop imagining, because that world is here, and it's more vibrant than ever. Introducing Social Gold, the innovative product that transforms your social media activity into a goldmine. Social Gold is not just a tool, it's a revolution. It's a platform that integrates with your Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube accounts, turning your likes, shares, tweets, and views into a currency of their own. It's witty, it's sophisticated, and it's designed with your digital lifestyle in mind. Whether you're a social media butterfly fluttering from one platform to another, or a content creator with a dedicated following, Social Gold has got you covered. Its intuitive interface and seamless integration mean that every moment you spend on social media can become a moment of earning. Let's delve a bit deeper. With Social Gold, every like on Facebook, every retweet on Twitter, and every view on YouTube has a value. It's as simple as connecting your social media accounts to the Social Gold platform and letting the magic happen. Engage with your favorite content, interact with your friends and followers, and watch as your digital engagements convert into real money. Social Gold respects your privacy and ensures that your data remains secured. It's not about intrusive ads or selling your information. It's about rewarding you for the things you already love doing online. You can cash out your earnings anytime you want, with no hidden fees or cumbersome procedures. So, why wait? A world where your social media interactions translate into tangible benefits is just a click away. Click on the link in the description box now and join the Social Gold revolution. Turn your likes into bucks, your retweets into riches, and your views into value. Remember, every moment you spend on social media is a potential earning moment with Social Gold. Don't let these moments slip away. Click on the link and start your journey towards a rewarding social media experience. Social Gold, because your social media engagements are worth more than just likes and shares. They're worth real money.